What's up guys, welcome back. Today I have a fun new product that I wanted to try with you guys. This is a new product from Revlon. It's called their Color Charge Lip Powder. And it essentially is just like little colorful powder lip toppers that you could put over different types of lipstick. They sent this to me recently as a part of their Color Charge line that has newly been released. And out of all of the things that were in there, this seemed to be the most MsQuinnFace appropriate of all. Definitely right up my alley. So I figured what I would do is film like trying these over various colors and different types of lipstick, over creams, over liquid lipsticks, over metallic liquid lipsticks, that kind of a thing, and see what kind of fun combinations we can come up with. I have a little assortment of things that I think would be interesting laid out on my desk here, but who knows where the road might take us. Maybe I'll add something as we go along. Couple of things before we get started. One is you may notice that I'm using my backdrop again for the last couple of videos. I like to kind of switch it up. So for those of you who miss my little dresser and my sign and stuff, it's still there. Just for certain videos where I'm more focused on like one product and like testing colors and things like that, I find that's like a little bit more distracting. But when we're doing like a chatty tutorial and it's like more of like, I don't know, like a cozy environment, then the other backdrop makes more sense. So I'm just gonna switch it back and forth between them as I see appropriate. So if you miss my sign, don't worry, it will be back. I don't know if you guys are aware because I haven't mentioned this in a bunch of videos. So if you're like more new to my channel, if you are ever wondering whether I was sent something in PR or whether I bought it myself, I always list in the description all of the products, and everything that was sent to me in PR will have an asterisk next to it. So if you are wondering, and I don't mention it verbally, because sometimes I forget, or sometimes like if it's just something I pick up during a tutorial, I don't even think to mention it. If you're ever wondering about a certain product, whether it was sent to me or whether I went out to buy it myself, it is always listed in the description in that way. Honestly, like I don't really care if I say something bad about something I get sent in PR and they don't send it to me anymore. I really don't care. So it doesn't make a difference, but you know, people like to know, so I list it down below. Also, I'm totally wearing a pajama thermal today because it's cold as fuck and it's snowing out, and it's cozy and it's nice. And there ain't no reason why not to. Okay, that's where we're at today. Let's get started and start making some lip powder combos. So I think the best way to do this is just to start at the top and work our way down and try each color as we go. So they don't really have names. I'm going to start with this kind of purpley shade on the top here. So I'm going to use the Kat Von D lip liner in Blood Milk as well as the lipstick in Homegirl. Starting off with a cream formula for the first trial, and these are both a really dark color and I think they'll make that purple pop real nicely. We're a little bit crazy with the lip liner today, whatever, don't at me. I'm just gonna grab a little flat eyeshadow brush and use that to dab the color over the top. These don't come with any sort of like a brush or a sponge applicator or anything like that in them, just FYI. Ooh, there's a lot of pigment in this, okay. Okay, so first impression of at least that shade over a cream lipstick, it blended on so smoothly. My lip liner is a little fucked up in the corner over here. Well, it's okay, we're gonna just ignore that. But yeah, it went on really smoothly. It gives a really nice, like, metallic finish. It doesn't make the lipstick feel heavy. As a matter of fact, it feels like it kind of set the lipstick a little bit. You know, like it doesn't feel like it's gonna transfer. Ooh, let's do a transfer test. Hold on, let's try it. Okay, the lipstick does still transfer a little bit, but not much for a cream product with the powder on top. It does not seem like it's that different than what you could do with an eyeshadow, but it does seem so far to be a bit more comfortable than putting an eyeshadow on the lips. Like it's a very soft formula and it's not heavy. I bet there are some eyeshadows that are also like that, but it does seem to be specifically formulated for this use, so I don't hate it. I'm not mad at it. The next shade in this little palette is more of a warm tone metallic. So I'm going to put that over a more warm tone lip and see how that works out. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the color True Grit. As you can see, that's a dark brownish color, but it's also kind of got like a little bit of a warm undertone, so I think it'll pair nicely. I think it'll pair just fine. And a little bit of that second shade. Yo, I like that. Dude, that is so nice. You can definitely blend it out and then add a little bit more in the center and get like a really nice like satiny effect too. Wow, these are really nice. Okay, Revlon with the fucking drugstore creativity over here. I see you. Yeah. Okay, no joke, this one is like so nice. This combination is like right up my alley. I am going out to dinner and drinks with my husband for my birthday tomorrow, and I'm pretty sure your girl is gonna wear this combination right here because I am in love with how this looks right now. I don't want to take it off. I don't want to take it off to do the next one. Okay, video's over. Video's done. Sorry, guys. I'm kidding, but I'm definitely putting this back on. The next color in here is this bright ass metallic pink. So what I'm gonna put it over, because this is one of my favorite color combos of all time, is this bright as a motherfucker orange red. This is quite the standout from MAC. And just FYI, if I haven't made this clear, I'm giving the liquid lipstick a second to dry before I start putting the powders over them, just so you know. This time dipping into that nice bright metallic pink. Okay, this one, I'm not really sure if this is my favorite color combo together like this. I usually love bright pink and orange, but I feel like maybe that choice was not making the color pop possibly as much. Maybe a little bit of a darker reddish orange would have been better, but it still applied really nicely. And I feel like this is fun, like spring, bright, kind of like fruity goodness. If that's what you're looking for, I think next time I do it, I'm gonna do it over a darker red though, for sure. Next, we have this frosty pink color here. It's almost giving me Kat Von D Thunderstruck vibes with less of a gold undertone to it. So since Thunderstruck over black is one of my favorite lip combos to wear, I am going to put it over a black liquid lipstick. This is the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the color Tar Pit. Gonna dip into this frosty pinky white. Let's see what this do. Whoa, whoa. Mama's got some pigment. Okay, that shade was definitely more pigmented and bright than I was expecting it to be, but I still do like the way it looks. It's giving a very extremely metallic effect, that is for sure. Once I put it over the black, I definitely could see now that it has more lavender undertones. So I'm gonna reel back what I said about it reminding me of Thunderstruck, because it's definitely not like Thunderstruck when you apply it over something darker. It was a little bit more difficult to blend than the others just because it was such a bright shade over complete black. Karate chops, you know? So it was a little bit more patchy, a little bit less easy to just make look like real satiny and perfect, but it's still lovely. I'm still enjoying this. This is still a fun process for me. And last but not least, we have this like true silver shade here at the bottom. And I'm going to put that over a gunmetal silver. I figured this will kind of just make it like a more dimensional dark silver kind of a look, and it's gonna make me look like a robot. And since the robots are gonna come kill us all anyway, I figure I might as well start trying to blend in now. This is Punked Rock from Smashbox. And we'll just pick up a little bit of this here silver. Oh yeah, oh yeah. When the Terminators come, they're just gonna be like, she's one of us. This is perfect. All robot jokes aside, this is so fun. I was not expecting this silver to give me so much silver pigment over such a similar shade, but it really, really did. It's popping a lot on that color. It's very, very pigmented. I'm really impressed, to be honest with you. These are pretty cool. So overall thoughts, this product's pretty cool, especially for something from the drugstore. I really appreciate that drugstore brands are kind of like taking cues from the beauty community and realizing that people want more interesting things and not like just the same like 10 neutral shades repackaged over and over. So that's pretty neat. I will say that I think that you can, if you wanted to, achieve the same thing by using eyeshadows. I'm not sure if you'll be able to as easily get this effect with an eyeshadow, but if you don't want to go and buy a separate product just to do this and you want to play with that idea, you definitely can experiment with some eyeshadow over your lipsticks. But if you like the idea of having separate products for your lips and for your eyes, and you want to try a nice powdery metallic finish type of an experimental little lip palette like this, I think these are really, really fun, especially for the price. I just went online and looked up the price and the availability of these. It seems like Walmart has them for $7.97, and this is not the only colorway. There are at least one more. I think there may be two more. And then Walgreens had it for, I think, $10 or $11. So anywhere from $7 to $10 seems to be the range depending on where you buy it. They seem to perform just as well over a creamy lipstick as they do over a dried down liquid lipstick, which is pretty neat because a lot of times when you have a creamy lipstick, it's harder to blend over with anything. So yeah, the fact that it performs well over that is nice. I think my favorite combo was this second shade here, which is like that like rosy metallic sort of a shade over the dark brown liquid lipstick. That looked so nice. I will definitely be wearing that again. And overall, I think that this is just fun. So if you're looking for something fun to try, a little bit of like lip experimentation at a drugstore price point, hell yeah, these get a big thumbs up. And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, because that really helps me out and I would super duper appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because I would love to have you stick around. Just, it takes 2 seconds, it's right down there, and I'm not so bad. I'm pretty cool to hang out with every now and then. You can also go ahead and follow me on social media. I am at MsQuinnFace on pretty much every social platform except on that new one, Vero. Not sure if everybody's still doing that, but if you are, I'm on there as Nicole Quinn, so you can find me there. That's my whole name. Let me know if you guys have ever tried these lip powders, if you want to, which one you would like to try, any combinations you would like to see me try, anything like that. Just let me know in a comment down below. That's all I have to say for today, and I will see you in the next one.
When you're next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.